proud to say I'm finally getting the hang of my shit. I figured it out. I know the way.
Yo, what's good with you? It's your boy Kim Commission again. I'm back with another video. So this week I'll try to like as slow as I can, because I just realized like for the past few weeks I've been like very fast, and that's usually like how I talk, and people sometimes like tend to like not hear whatever that I'm saying. But yeah, so recently I came up with a solution. So for me, in order to grow like this YouTube channel and like provide insightful information, I came up with the what I thought was the best solution for me and everyone else. So instead of like me having to send like my personal trades or personal setups to the Telegram channel, of which I was not sending like signals, I was only sending like my personal views, and those personal views don't mean anything to anybody, but you just have to look and see, okay, how I do things, instead of like me saying like I'm teaching you certain things. So basically, like I've sent an important update for our trading community so that we can level up together. So I said like, hi everyone, I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for being part of this community and trusting me to share valuable market ideas. Your engagement, feedback, and support means a lot. But the thing is, like, not everyone is like coming to me on my DM saying, okay, like I've done this, done that, but it's okay. Yeah. But on YouTube, I just recently saw that like there's like sometimes a positive feedback from someone saying like, okay, I was watching your video and you're actually coming up all right, and I saw an opportunity of let me like try to change this thing, because I'm saying, as we grow together, I've been thinking of how I can provide even more value to you, not just signals or my personal ideas. So basically, by saying signals doesn't mean I was sending signals, but I was sending like my ideas of which people might take into consideration as things like signals. So but I'm gonna share videos of me having to do like trade breakdowns. For example, like this one, I'm gonna do a trade breakdown of which like I'm currently in, and by the time this video drops, like already it will still be safe for people to enter. So currently I'm up by 3 something percent, not even 3.5%, but I think 3.1% on my equity edge phase 1 challenge. And so I'm here thinking, okay, why not like risk 5% on that trade alone? But that means like if I take a loss, I'll be down by 2%. So basically I'm allowed to like risk 3%, because if I risk 3%, I'll be back to square one, back to zero. Obviously it's not like a big deal, but yeah, guys, here goes nothing. So instead of me sending like my personal trades or setups to the group, what I'm gonna do starting from now on, I'm gonna record a video and drop it on YouTube, then send a link to that Telegram channel, so that people who are in the group or people who follow me on Instagram can click on the link, then watch the video, leave a comment. I'm trying to increase my engagement also on this platform. Like I said, I'm trying to document my trading journey as an upcoming like full-time forex trader. So yeah, here goes nothing. So guys, can I take you back to the trade that I took last week? That was like most profitable for me, but I ended up like getting out here on Friday. Took a break even on Nasdaq also. Took a break even on SPX 500, of which you can call it like S&P 500. So I'm no longer into these trades and I'm out. So yeah, Nasdaq was going like so nice in my direction, and that's when like it started going to the upside again. But I had like my stop loss below my entry point, and that's when I took a loss. Since it's gonna be like a bit of volatility on the US news or US currency pairs, so I've decided let me not trade like those pairs this week. So I'm focusing on other pairs like Forex minor pairs. So yeah, so if we look into this pair, like last time guys, I said I'm no longer like using trend lines, so I'm trying to show you we're on the bullish on the bearish trend, excuse me. I'm actually feeling kind of like better this week, so expect more of these videos now and then. like I said, like this is the only trade that I'm gonna take during the week. But if I ever decide to see another opportunity in the markets, I'll drop a video or like have a live trading session once in a while. I'm not promising anything, I'm just saying once in a while. So we had like liquidity taken here, and if you keep on watching like the videos that I drop, you notice that okay, on the previous video or one of the previous videos that I've dropped, I've said like the reason why I'm saying like this is like a liquidity grab is because like okay, below this lower high, because like we're on the very strong, so we keep on having like lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this was supposed to be our lower high, and instead of like the market like selling right over here, we broke into this high, and there was no like full body closure candlestick like that was formed on top of like this previous like zone, previous high. So that's when you're gonna say okay, this is like a liquidity grab or like liquidity offset at this point. Also, if you look into this zone, please don't be surprised that I'm doing this. But if like you're not new to this channel, you know, okay, the reason I'm doing this is because uh these lines don't want to see like properly on top of like the candlesticks or like the candle closures. Yeah, back to what I was saying. So this might look to like as liquidity grab, but it's actually like not a liquidity grab. Instead of like having a change of character here, this was forced to be a liquidity grab. So what you had was you had like a change, you had like a break of structure, meaning like having a continuation to the downside, right? So this continuation to the downside is caused because of this. So after grabbing like this bit of liquidity, like everyone can say okay, this is also like liquidity grab. Yes, it might look like a liquidity grab, but at the same time, if we look into this, we had like a bit of retracement to the upside, then we dropped, and then this was when we had like a confirmation that we are going to the downside, meaning we are having sorry, we are having a break of structure, and this was our premium supply zone. I could have entered at this point, but at the same time, you know, like lately I've been, you know, swing trading, so this is no longer important to me. I can't even stress enough about like having such trades. So what we are having is we're having an entry at like the 75%, meaning like I'm risking 25% to make like 75% of the profit that I could have lost or could have taken its loss. So it's basically having like 1 to 3 risk ratio reward each and every time. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna have my entry. Actually, let me not say I'm gonna have my entry, because already I have my entry. I'll attach the screenshot to this video at this point, and this is why I'm having my stop loss, and this is why I'm having my take profit. But chances are, if I get to 6%, if I get to 5% actually on this trade alone, I'm going to close so that I can pass my phase 1 challenge, because already I'm up by 3%, like I said previously. So I'm currently in this trade right now, because I left a sell limit on this. I left the sell limit on this pair last week Friday, if not Thursday, and today in the morning when I woke up, I received an email from TradingView saying like AUDCAD has recently like touched this point, of which is 0.89767. So guys, like I'm currently in this trade right now, so I'll let it play out. If I do take a loss, okay, I'll be back to probably like 1% or like 0.5% on my equity phase 1 challenge. But nonetheless, guys, if it does go my way, then I'm gonna pass my account. So I'm just gonna let this trade play out like for the rest of the weekend. Maybe I can drop like certain videos during the week. If I do see like a trade that is like, you know, that is like so important for me to enter. But for now, let me stick to this video, and hopefully this will provide like some more insightful like information to anyone else. And please don't forget to, you know, like this video if you find it like valuable to you. Subscribe to my channel, if you feel like, okay, I'm providing like information that is like necessary for you and that might help you on a trading journey. And mind you, like I'm not FSCA regulated, so I'm not selling any course, I'm not selling any mentorship. I'm just like, documenting my journey as like an aspiring full-time trader. And yeah, hopefully we can grow together. If you find this like valuable, please subscribe. You can share it with like your friends or people who are interested in like trading and stuff like that. So on the description below, I'm gonna leave like a link to my Telegram channel. Instagram is not even that important because like my account is private, but you can follow at commission_traders. That's where like I usually like share before and after screenshots of these trades that I'm taking. So yeah, leave a comment if you feel like there's something like you need to know, you need to understand, or you need clarity on, and you can take it from there. So see you in the next video.
Hey, God took a wheel.